In this section we will add all the controllers, so let's close this, and here you will see a default controller provided with .NET this template, so we will delete this one, we will not use this, and we will add another controller. We will add a class and we will call this account controller, and for attribute we will use API controller and route attribute, and this controller should inherit from controller base. There will be some fields, private fields for this one, so these 4 fields. One is for sign in manager, user manager, role manager, and admin pass. The controller should be something like this, which will receive sign in manager, user manager, and role manager. We are just assigning these properties. So this will be the method for login. Now we will write method for registration. So this one, if anything goes wrong, we are just returning the bad request. So our account controller is completed. So now we will add a new controller for blog category. We'll call this blog category controller. This will also have these 2 attribute, and it should also inherit from controller base. It will have 2 private fields, and the controller should look like this: the context and the mapper. Now we will add a single method for getting a single blog category by ID. Now we will add a method to create blog category, and this is the one. So now we will add a method for updating blog category. So this is also an admin method, you can see this. Now we will add a method for deleting a blog category. So this is the one, you can see. So our blog category controller is completed. Now we will create blog controller, finally the blog controller. So add a new class, name this blog controller, and it will also have these 2 attribute, API controller and route, and it will also inherit from controller base. You will have some private properties, and then the controller should look like something like this. Now first we will add a method which will return page list of blogs. So this one, it kinds of, we are missing this class page response, so let's add this in the shared project. So add a class here, we will call this page response, and it will be a generic class. So this will look something like this, and it will have this 4 or 5 properties, and we will remove the unnecessary imports. Save this and go back to the controller, and let's see if we can, yeah, we have the using option here. So this is fixed. So for this block params, we will create a new folder inside the shared project. We will add a new folder and we will call it search params, and inside this folder we will add this class, it will be block params, and make this public, and it will contain these properties, and we can also remove the unnecessary imports. And let's go back to the block controller and let's try to use the search param. Yeah, now the error is gone. This is the complete function to get the page list of this view model. Now we will add a function which will be used for getting blog by the blog slug, and then we will add a method for getting related blogs by the blog slug. So now we will add function for getting the comments of the blog. We will also add function for getting blog by the ID. So this is very simple method. We will add two private method here. One is for uploading image. So it will be something like this. It is actually using image sharp. So we will create the function for creating blog. Now we will create a method for updating the blog. So this is it. This is almost pretty similar to the create method. And now we will add a function for deleting a blog. So this one this is very much simple function like blog category. And then we will add a function for adding comment. So here you can see this function is for adding comment to a blog, and that's it. All the controllers are completed now, so we can save this.